Welcome to Tycoon Training. This session will cover how to access lease file audit reports. To begin, log into InfoTycoon and select your management company. From the left menu, select Lease File Audits, then select Audits. We'll select the audit that we want to view. Once we select the audit, we can see a summary page with some audit highlights. Before we pull reports, we'll go to the Review tab to view and clean up any auditor errors. Our first tab is for employers. I can see the auditors entered Walmart in two different ways. Once I correct that here, the change will be committed to the file. Next, we'll look at incomes. Sometimes auditors may add an extra zero or select an incorrect income frequency. In this review screen, we identify your average income range and the outliers. Click the View button to reference the file, including employer and job information, or make the change in this screen. Next, we'll look at variances. Not all buyers want to see all variances in the reporting. If we want the final reports to exclude certain variances, like resident names, we can uncheck them here. The last review step is for multi-lease units. This step identifies units that have a past or future lease associated with them. This could be a recent or pending renewal, or an applicant. You're able to choose which one is represented in your reports. Now I'm ready to pull my reports. The reports are grouped by type, and each includes a description of the report details. You can start with popular reports, such as the summary and demographic report. Click the download icon to view each of these reports. Each can be printed or downloaded as a PDF. The Itemized Audit All Data report is an extract of all report data. Use the filters to view a specific location on the property, an audit section, specific variances, or questions. This report can be downloaded in Excel. For any questions, please contact support@infotycoon.com.